Digital coin price indicates a potential 1.4% gain for Tether Gold tomorrow. Before anything else, let's see what's happening on the chart. Right now, Tether Gold is trading near $4,140.20 after a 4.1% daily drop. Let's jump into analyst predictions now. According to Gulf Capital Collector, the price could move to $4,153.85 by June 11, which is about 0.6% above the current level. Coin data flow sees a path for Tether Gold to reach $4,163.81, implying a move up of 0.9%. According to Traders Union, it may edge higher toward $4,181, an estimated gain near 1.3%. Another forecast by Digital Coin Price expects Tether Gold might lift to $4,185.20, a potential gain of 1.4%. And in closing, 30 rates points to $4,220 by June 11, which is 2.2% higher than now. This forecast carries the strongest return potential of all. You've seen 5 takes. Let's see what's next. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. Based on the forecasts examined today, the expected price variation could be from a rise of 0.6% to an increase of 2.2%, depending on the analyst. Our review shows 30 rates giving the most optimistic forecast with 2.2% gain in value by June 11. Put simply, you could come away with between $6 and $22 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Gulf Capital Collector's forecast shows the greatest probability of success at 63.1%. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. The consensus scenario shows Tether Gold gaining about 1.3% in value. Let's peel back the layers. The consensus projection shows the price up by about 1.3%. On those same terms, your capital could potentially move higher by 1.3%. For every 1,000 placed into the position, the forecast could mean around $13 added. The consensus scenario carries a likelihood of approximately 54.7% of coming true. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. For the next few days, Gulf Capital Collector believes the market will stay stable, with volatility contained. Coin data flow suggests Tether Gold will retreat from current levels. Likewise, Traders Union expects downward momentum to persist. Tether Gold may advance, Digital Coin Price also notes. 30 rates anticipates Tether Gold heading south. The consensus view points to Tether Gold moving lower over the next 3 days. In total, 80% of analysts point to a downward direction for Tether Gold. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Let's find out how close they came. At the end of the day, the price settled at $4,208.40. In the end, just 2 analysts managed to get the trend correct. Looking at the numbers, 30 rates turned out most precise. Time to unpack the outcome. Yesterday's span included 4 predictions. Looking at ROI, several forecasts delivered gains, and 30 rates came out on top with 1.7%. Here's a quick summary table, a clear snapshot of forecast performance. 30 rates is shown with accuracy, 50.5% forecast probability, and 1.7% ROI. Take a glance and see who achieved the most accurate forecast. Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between Tether Gold and other cryptocurrencies. Tether Gold is not the leader today, as the highest forecasted profitability belongs to Near with 1.5%. This section includes Tether Gold and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended performance view is now on my website. If you find value in seeing several analysts side by side, show your support with a like and subscribe. Have a great day.